In this video, I will share with you how to add an expand and collapse FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. This is the design that I will share with you in this video, and the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Hostinger account. After that, go to websites and click on websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. Just a quick tip: if you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon, and this is a Hostinger builder website icon. Now click on this edit website button. This is my website on Hostinger website builder, and let's say I want to add my FAQ here at below this contact form. Click on this add section button, select add blank section, and now go to add elements and scroll down to the bottom to this embed code element. Drag and drop it like that and hit enter code. Delete this default code and copy this HTML code that I will share with you in this video description. Now paste this code here and hit embed code. As you can see, this is my expanding and collapsing section. Let's make it a little bit wider, make this section a little bit shorter, and hit update website. Let's view this website live. And this is the collapse and expand FAQ section. Now let's see how to edit the design or how to add more questions or delete questions. This is the code. So the first thing is that you can update is the background color from here. Let's say I want to use black. This is this little gray background. You can edit it from the background section below the body. I will return to the original color. You can also play with the margin and the padding of this background. Now let's go to the FAQ container. You can edit the background or this white background color. Let's put black here to see the difference. This is the color that you can edit from here below FAQ container. Let's return to the original color. You can also edit the padding and the border radius from here. Let's play with the padding to see the difference. This is the difference that you can get. Same thing for the border radius or the corner. Let's see the result live. Let's make it a little bit bigger. This is the corner design or shape. You can edit it from here. Let's return to the original. Let's make this board margin or FAQ item margin bottom, or the difference or the space between each question. Let's return to the original. Now the FAQ section, you can edit the cursor, you can edit the design from here. For the FAQ section, we can edit the font size. Let's make it a little bit smaller. You can edit the question text size from here. Same thing for the background color. Let's go with black again. Let's return to the original. By the way, for this code colors or for this colors codes, you can get them from this website. called htmlcolorcodes.com. You can use this square and this slider to get your desired color, and after that copy this code from here. Let's use this color code. As you can see here, I can edit the code. Let's return to the original. Now you can also edit this color or this hover color. When the cursor is on top of a question, as you can see, the green color becomes darker. You can edit it from here below the FAQ question hover. I will go with black to show you the difference. As you can see now, on the hover stage, it becomes black. Let's now the FAQ answer. Now let's open an answer. You can edit the padding of the answer. Let's see the difference. This is not good. Let's return to the original. You can also edit the answer background color from here. Let's test it with black. This is how to edit this color or this background color. Border left, more border radius, margin top, font size. You can also edit the text size of the answer. I think from here you can, as you can see from here, or below the FAQ question after, you can edit the open and close signs. You can also edit the text or the size of these plus and minus from the font size. Let's return to the original, and same thing for the minus. It's from here. It can be edited from here. And now let's see how to add more questions. Now to add a question, just copy this code starting from the div class FAQ item to this closing div. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lines. Let's make it, or yes, starting from this opening div to this closing div with this backslash or slash. Let's copy the first question and paste it another time, and let's see the results. You can see the first question is duplicated, and this is how to add multiple questions and to remove a question and also its answer. It's simple, it's similar, just delete one div starting from the opening div to the closing div like that, and save your code. And to edit the first question, this is the first question, it's in the black, and this is the first question answer, can be edited from here. Let's call it answer. First question, and this is how to edit it. I think that's all for editing this code. Now let's copy this updated code and use it here. Same thing, return to the custom code we've added, hit enter code, delete the old one and pass the new one. As you can see, now I can see my edited first question and answer. Hit update, and view site. scroll down to the bottom, and this is the end result. And this is how to add an expand and collapse FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.